Every day, millions of Snickers bars are produced, shipped, and enjoyed by chocolate lovers around the world. But have you ever wondered what it takes to create this iconic candy bar? Today, we are going behind the scenes to uncover the fascinating process that brings Snickers to life. Hi, I'm Jelly Discovery, and we're here at one of the largest Snickers production facilities in the world. From the gooey caramel to the crunchy peanuts, let's dive into the delicious details of how Snickers bars are made. It all begins with carefully selected ingredients. High-quality peanuts, milk chocolate, sugar, and caramel are the essential components of a Snickers bar. Each ingredient is sourced from trusted suppliers around the world, ensuring consistency and flavor. We test every batch of ingredients to make sure they meet our strict quality standards. It's all about delivering that perfect Snickers taste. The first step in production is creating the nougat base. This fluffy, sweet layer is made by whipping up sugar, egg whites, and a touch of flavoring. Once mixed, the nougat is spread onto large conveyor belts and cooled. This is where the magic begins. The nougat is the foundation of every Snickers bar, and its texture is critical to the candy's signature chew. Next comes the caramel, made from a blend of sugar, milk, and butter. This gooey layer is carefully spread over the nougat before a generous helping of roasted peanuts is sprinkled on top. Snickers bar contains around 16 peanuts. That's a lot of crunch. Once the nougat, caramel and peanuts are perfectly layered, it's time for the chocolate. The bars pass through an enrobing machine that coats them in a smooth layer of milk chocolate. This step is my favorite. Watching the bars get their final touch of chocolatey goodness is so satisfying. The freshly coated bars then travel through a cooling tunnel to set the chocolate. Once cooled, they're ready for packaging. This facility can produce up to 15,000 bars per hour. That's over 5 million bars a day. Is a top priority. Each bar is inspected to ensure it meets the highest standards before being shipped to stores. Our goal is to make sure every Snickers bar delivers the same delicious experience every time. Once packaged, the bars are sent to distribution centers and then to stores around the globe. From the factory floor to your local grocery aisle, the journey of a Snickers bar is truly remarkable. And there you have it, the amazing process behind millions of Snickers bars made every day. Next time you unwrap one of these tasty treats, you'll know just how much work and care went into it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more behind-the-scenes looks at your favorite product. Snickers, satisfying cravings one bar at a time. See you next time.